Tune inside and listen. Breathe and move with the sound. Let your senses unravel and let the music in. See if you can get a sense of what it feels like to really let the music, the humdrum and the didgeridoo enter the tunnel of your ears and really go in to the body. It's a very different experience than just feeling the music on the outside as we move through thought. See if you can let the sound travel in to the pores of your body, into the rhythm of your breath, just so that we can deepen and shift the experience for a moment. And with that, expanding our range of perception, expanding our range of sensation and of what we allow ourselves to feel.
Aarona makes it so easy with the musicians to just get straight into your body.
One more deep breath in, super square. Chair pose, arms lift up in. Super slow, no rush. Steady feet faces down, grab the back of your right foot.
The tempo and the energy that the music creates is in lockstep with the asana and the practice.
Our skill of being able to watch the room, listen to the music, and know what to feed us. It's really lovely. She just is kind of a mind reader sometimes. You know, I'll be in a warrior and then think, oh, I really want this part of my body to move in a certain way. And I'm like, that's the next thing that she says. It happens all the time. She's got that masterful, energetic connection to everything.
If you can see it, you can have it. Receive. And consider what types of thoughts and energy are you most consistently sending to your greatest visions, dreams, and passions. Feel your body and the environment inside. Your body's different from when you first arrived. Your internal compass is brighter, it's louder now, the volume is up in your heart. Hold that awareness steady and bring it with you into your dreams, into all of your relationships, into your community. Create with it.
There's something magical that happens in that room with the lighting and Aarona's voice and the live music. It just weaves this tapestry that takes the yoga practice to a whole nother